the Alliance, right?
OMG, that is so totally, true. That's such a good observation, Pencil.
Observe me, please.
I'm a member.
Why can't you on me?
I feel like there might be other people, though. Jumpy! Fanny, stop killing the five! Lightning, go Zapper!
Wait, Lightning, remember what he said about...
Bubble! You wouldn't want to go against the Alliance's objective, would you? Bember?
Oh, no!
I got it!
Really, Pencil?
No, JK, I still got half a mile to go.
Pence, I'm safe.
Yeah, too bad about Fanny, though. Actually, Fanny is safe! Fanny is safe with 1,731 votes.
Wait, but that means...
With 4,595 votes, Pencil is eliminated. That's the biggest ever!